Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Chocolate caramel. Just hearing the words is enough to make anyone's mouth water. This iconic flavor combination has been delighting taste buds for centuries. The deep, rich taste of chocolate paired with the buttery, sweet silkiness of caramel is more than just a treat, it's a sensory experience. It's versatile, comforting, and indulgent, appearing in candies, baked goods, drinks, sauces, and so much more. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating history behind chocolate and caramel, break down the key ingredients that make them so irresistible, guide you through making your own caramel and chocolate creations, and even suggest pairings and creative twists to elevate your experience. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why chocolate caramel is so beloved but also feel inspired to create it yourself. A sweet history of chocolate. Let's start with chocolate. The story begins thousands of years ago in Mesoamerica, where ancient civilizations like the Olmecs, Mayans, and Aztecs first cultivated cacao. But cacao was very different back then. It wasn't a sweet treat. Instead, it was consumed as a bitter, frothy beverage, often mixed with chili, maize, or spices, and it played a central role in religious ceremonies. Cacao was considered sacred, a gift from the gods, and even served as currency. Imagine the value and reverence these tiny beans held. Fast forward to the 16th century, when Spanish explorer Hernán Cortés encountered cacao in the Aztec Empire. He brought it back to Europe, where chocolate began a dramatic transformation. Europeans experimented with sugar and spices, eventually creating a sweet, luxurious beverage that became a status symbol among the elite. Over the centuries, chocolate evolved further: solid chocolate, milk chocolate, and eventually the bars and confections we know and love today. What's fascinating is how chocolate traveled across the world, adapting to new cultures and tastes. By the 17th century, chocolate houses were opening across Europe, and chocolate's popularity spread rapidly. Today, chocolate is a global phenomenon, from artisan bean to bar creations to mass-produced treats. Caramel, from sweet discovery to culinary staple. Now let's talk about caramel. Unlike chocolate, caramel's origin is simpler but equally fascinating. The word caramel likely comes from the Old French canamella, meaning sugar cane, or the Latin calamelus, meaning little reed. Early cooks may have discovered caramel by accident, when sugar was overheated and transformed into a golden brown syrup. This process, called caramelization, is a chemical reaction where sugar molecules break down and reform, creating new compounds responsible for caramel's rich color, nutty aroma, and complex flavor. Caramel became an essential ingredient in candies, pastries, and desserts, celebrated for its buttery sweetness and versatility. Over the centuries, caramel evolved. Early recipes called for simple sugar syrups, while modern creations combine cream, butter, and salt to create the creamy, luxurious textures we enjoy today. And of course, pairing it with chocolate turned it into something truly magical. Core ingredients of chocolate caramel. Let's break down the ingredients that make chocolate caramel irresistible. For caramel, you need sugar, heavy cream, unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. Sugar provides the base sweetness. Heavy cream gives caramel a smooth, flowing texture. Butter contributes richness, mouthfeel, and a subtle glossy finish. Salt balances the sweetness, highlighting the caramel's depth. Chocolate is made from cocoa mass, sugar, cocoa butter, and sometimes milk solids. Cocoa mass provides chocolate's deep, rich flavor. Sugar balances its natural bitterness. Cocoa butter ensures a silky melt in your mouth texture. Milk solids in milk chocolate add creaminess and mild sweetness. These ingredients, simple as they may seem, combine to create one of the most iconic flavor pairings in the culinary world. The harmony of chocolate and coffee elevates any treat. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.